The interview. Do some 5 minutes talk. They're gonna ask you why you're here.
Charlie, Gigi non set up.
Midasi. Oui, voilà donc. Après normal.
La Misha.
All right.
All right, guys, let's do it. Okay. Good luck.
Enough. Yeah, enough. Yeah.
Bro, I bet what be the name? Charlie, we people will join.
I tried to drop Mark-Angel in the house.
Mark-Angel is exactly.
Very interesting one. Mark-Angel, why did you come along with the Manuela? We would have loved to see him.